Many applicants think once you get hired, everything is already free. But the truth is, before you even step on board, you might already spend thousands. Today, I will share the hidden expenses before joining a cruise ship so you can prepare and avoid financial stress. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tintin, an ex-cruise ship crew, and I share real experiences, tips, and honest advice to help first-time applicants successfully start their cruise ship journey. If you're currently processing your application, this video is very important for you. Hidden expense number one, training and certificates. Before deployment, you may need to complete required trainings such as basic safety training, COP or refresher courses, and other possession-related seminars. These trainings are investment, but many applicants are surprised by that total cost. Always ask your agency what trainings are required early so you can budget properly. Hidden expense number two, medical examination. Medical exams are not always cheap. Aside from the main medical fee, sometimes you may need dental treatment, vaccines, laboratory retests, additional clearance if something is detected. Based on experience, it's better to prepare your health early to avoid repeat expenses. Hidden expense number three, documents and processing fees. Small payments add up quickly. Siemens book, processing or renewal, NBI clearance, PSA documents, notary and photocopies, transportation going to offices and agencies. Individually, they look small, but combined, they become a big amount. Hidden expense number four, uniform and personal preparation. Some companies require you to prepare black shoes, formal clothes, grooming requirements, and luggage or suitcase. These are often not included in agency discussions but are necessary before flight. Hidden expense number five, waiting period expenses. This is the one many applicants forget. Processing can take months, and during waiting time, you still spend on transportation for follow-ups, food during appointments, daily personal expenses while not yet earning on board. Financial patience is very important during this stage. One mistake applicants make is resigning too early without saving. If possible, save emergency funds first, avoid unnecessary debt, prepare at least a few months of allowance. Remember, joining a cruise ship is not only preparation of documents, it is also preparation of your finances. Don't be discouraged by these expenses. Think of them as your investment toward a bigger opportunity for your future and for your family. Plan wisely, stay patient, and trust the process. Your hard work before boarding will be worth it once you finally step on the ship. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship tips and real experiences. See you on the next video, and good luck future seafarers.